So this is one of my favorite places in all of Poznan. This is ZNTK Poznan, and here they used to repair and upgrade trains, and this dates back to 1870. This place has Prussian roots. It survived all kinds of iterations of this region that's now Poland, and now it's just totally abandoned. And I got to go meet up with a couple friends of mine. They're going to meet me just outside of this, and there's a friend of mine I made a couple videos with, and a friend of mine, Gosia, who's a linguistics professor in Poznan here, and we're gonna go explore this place. So here we're entering the Eiffel Tower of ZNTK Poznan. And that's because this is probably the most touristic building of this place, and you're more likely to find some people here. A random group of Ukrainian explorers I ran into. There was a guy who actually came here like with his 12-year-old daughter or something, I think, showing her around. And there's even a guy that was like walking his dog. Look at this over here. Some plant up there. Someone's watering this plant and keeping it alive. Okay. So.
What if there's a boat underneath or something?
Yeah, let's see.
It's shaped like a human body.
Like, you never know if this is real or not, but let's check. That's it.
What if the worms come out?
See, this is the good thing about having linguistics professors with you, is they poke dead bodies.
Holy shit.
Yeah, you like it?
So good.
Still nature in the Renaissance, right?
Wait, what sort of installation?
A modern installation.
Oh, yes, yes.
Let's think what it tells about.
It's abstract and deep in some sort of way, right? Yeah, this is, to me, looks like toxic waste, and it's kind of the serial killer room in a sense, because you have these hooks here, and like, yeah, like I'd be worried, like if I came here at the wrong time, I might get stuck in here and hung from that, and then like, yeah, I'm not getting anywhere near that. So if you want to check it out, Oif is like, oh my god. So there's many, many different ways here to climb stairs and places to be found. So Gosia is, of course, the first one to go up here. Are you coming? Yeah.
Look.
Look at all the destruction around here, and we got like this hole leading down.
You could have spied on your workers.
Yeah, exactly.
Graffiti is called.
Yeah, this I think is a particular artist, Abel. I think this one is everywhere actually around this place. So there's some recent dark history to this place as well. So apparently some 17-year-old boy committed suicide in this particular building not that long ago. I guess his girlfriend broke up with him or something like that, and he was so distraught that he climbed to the top of the letters of this building, and he jumped off and he died instantly. And apparently he left a bunch of stuff up there saying why he did it, and the roof was so damaged the police couldn't get there, so the fire department had to go up and find everything.
I hope they view is gonna be rewarding.
What?
The view is gonna be rewarding. Next time I'll climb the ladder, gloves.
Yeah, probably.
And I think that the edges of the ladder were rusty and they dirty my skin a lot and they were very unpleasant to grab.
Oh yeah.
And you have to-
So for reasons of safety, we're not going to really go on the roofs, but yeah, we just exited that giant door right there. But actually, if you fly a drone all the way up there, you're going to find the words hello written on the top. So there's all kinds of stuff you can only see here from the sky. So we found some office area attached to this main building, and we've had to leave to meet some friends, so it's just the two of us now.
Oh yeah, these are shelves, maybe to store documents. I can see forms. There are forms here. Now let me get them to the light. Ooh, they're dirty. I should have brought.
Yeah, be careful about touching anything in this place.
I have this plastic glove from Hardship. Okay, it seems it's an order to orders. It's a form to order spare parts for trains. Yeah, I need to get this stuff from Hardship. This is might be full of clothing lines or something like that. Ooh.
What did you find?
I haven't found anything yet.
Ah, very good. Yeah, be sure to bring something like a rubber glove here. Like, look at this old antique design here. This could have been someone might have just gotten it from a flea market and staged it here. I mean, it's really hard to say, or the other ones were stolen. I mean, we really don't know.
I'm still thinking of these two victims of ZNTK. You know, the guy who fell off the roof.
Yeah.
He was only 17, and I'm just wondering which roof it was. And how did it happen? Was he?
Look at the destruction more now in this building. And we have some strollers because, I found that one guy, of course, with, walking around here with his 12-year-old daughter. But if you want to take your baby to ZNTK, you can use a stroller. Yeah, what is this? We got a little bridge to cross.
It's a place of the cult.
Yeah, do they summon Satan here or something? Or it's like a Platz Zabov, you can kind of like walk on it.
The Christmas tree.
Is this a Christmas tree? Oh my, wow.
Everything's black. Look at the rubbish.
So this is really kind of also an interesting and scary room too. Just something about, I don't know, something about this lighting and the colors here just really, like that's an altar of like Satan or there's some sacrificing or something. I don't know what's going on
The
here.
light is gone for sure.
Yeah,
It's different than daylight.
it's coming through here, but the vibe of this place, I don't know.
Sinister.
And the shoe shack back there kind of changes the mood.
It looks like a grave because people left flowers here, actually. So it might be a grave.
Well, hopefully it's not because you're standing on it, but like, because the ghost will come out and haunt you, follow you.
I can-
Like, what is this right here? Like, are these some sort of like oil containers or something? Like,
Maybe gas.
and look at this chair in here. Just like, looks like it's just covered in some sort of oily thing. Like, do I look like a science nerd now or something? Or like,
You look like a person who is very much afraid of the famous toxic waste.
yeah. So, time to see possible toxic waste. That teenager wasn't too afraid of it. But we gotta go in here. And gotta be very, very careful. And here's the first of it right here. We're gonna see a lot more of this. This is slippery like ice. Do not come here alone, no matter what you do. See, look at this. If this doesn't look like some sort of super fun site cleanup, like, I don't know what is. Yeah, look at that. Look at these tiles.
Some ice and tiles.
Yeah. Oh God. Oh.
Honestly, I'm slightly afraid that something will fall in my hands.
Hey, you know what we need to be careful about? Look under here. That goes all the way down. Are you okay? So the falling risk is real. Someone coming down the floor. Dzień dobry. Yeah. Oh no. Okay. So there's a scary dog too, so we gotta get out. Okay. We'll at least be safe over here. So we need to be really careful about the guards at this place. So there's two of them, and one of them really has a very big, scary dog. A bunch of 14-year-olds were telling me that they might actually attack you, and I think it might be just some 14-year-olds kind of trying to look tough, but we're gonna make sure and be careful.
Ja na przykład nie wiedziałam w ogóle.
Tam jest jeszcze budynek taki, tam niedaleko tej hali, tam po drugiej stronie takiej administracji. I tam są wszelkie dokumenty, archiwa odnośnie pracowników i inne takie rzeczy.
Właśnie idziemy tam.
Tylko, że tam trzeba uważać, bo tam jest od razu ochrona.
Gosha has to go now, unfortunately. But I'm gonna go back and look for a few more things. There's this other entrance here, and this is near Avenida. So look over there, just kind of like nice fancy mall near the train station. And we have ruined, decaying, abandoned buildings, and tons of them just right over here. Right among the forest of this building, we have, look at all this stuff here. I don't know what this is. It's not any sort of computer magnetic tape or anything. But when it's windy, this stuff, it just like sways in the wind, like as if it was haunted or there was a ghost here. This place, it's absolutely huge. You know, it's stretching from like the part of Wilda all the way to Avenida. And there's probably at least something like 30 buildings, 30 big abandoned buildings to explore. I don't even know. So you could spend like a whole week or two here, I think, just exploring everything. It's just incredible. Okay, so I think that's pretty much it for today. We survived the guard barely, and everything's okay, but we only saw just a tiny fraction of what this place has to offer. There's just so much more stuff here.